unlimited fast-speed internet settings, Android iPhone, get high-speed APN settings for all network full settings, keep watching, end the video.
First, go phone settings, following step by step. SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card for setting. Access point name.
Click plus add new APN. Name.
APN.
Username. Server. Authentication type. PAP or CHAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4, IPv6. Bearer. Now save. APN settings restart phone after check internet speed. If you like video, please subscribe channel next more videos.